Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. So this video I'm going to be showing you how to put a timer on your YouTube. So you might be using this, for example, if you're listening to some nice ambient music while you're going to sleep and then you want your YouTube video to end at a certain point. Sometimes these videos are like 8 hours or 5 hours. This one's only 1 hour, but then all you have to do is go to settings right here. Once you go to settings, you'll see sleep timer. Go there. And then it allows you to do 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, up to an hour or end of video. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and click that. And then once you do that, then go ahead and play the video and then it will automatically turn off and then you can go to sleep without worrying about your video waking you up in the middle of the night or something like that. So go ahead and try that. Once again, this is how to put a timer on your YouTube video. Go to settings, go to sleep timer on top right here, the option. And then you can choose it could be like 20 minutes, for example. All right, so go ahead and try that at home. I hope this video helps. Please consider liking or subscribing. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.